Hello, fellow YouTubers. Sorry about the late video. COVID's hit my house. 2 people in my house have COVID, not me. I'm being ultra careful. I haven't caught it yet, and I hope I never do catch it, considering I've got asthma too, so we'll see. So this video is to teach those who have limited English and would like to learn some new words. This is the video. Next video, I'm going to be reading you a story in English. It'll probably be a Disney story because they're simple, they're easy to understand, and they have pictures, so they're easy to follow. Win-win. So, most of the video you probably won't see my face because when I flip it around, when I try and show you the word, it's mirrored, so it's backwards. So I'm gonna flip around the screen and then I'll show you the words and I'm just gonna talk, and then I'll come back to flip the screen to show my face at the end of the video. That's what I gotta do for this video. Okay, let's start with the words. Okay. Oop. Let's start with the words. The first set of words are shapes. This shape is a square. 4 equal sides. Square. Square. Circle. The same shape as a tire. Circle. Diamond. The same shape as a caution sign. A construction sign is in the shape of a diamond. Diamond. Rectangle. It's similar to a square. This is a rectangle piece of paper. The top and bottom lines are longer than the left and the right lines. Rectangle. Triangle. Triangle. It's the same shape as the Egyptian pyramids. Triangle. Now these are items that you would find in a school or in a stationery store. Crayon. Ruler. This is also a ruler. Ruler. Chair. This is what you sit on at a table when you eat. Chair. Desk. This is what you use to work at when you're doing homework or office work or whatever work that you do with a computer. Desk. Clock. This is what you use to tell time. Clock. Clock. Backpack. This is what you carry your school books or hiking stuff with. Backpack. Backpack. It's 2 words. It's a compound word. Backpack. Another compound word. Class. Room. Not glass. Class. Room. School. 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 I might need to do a part 2 or a part 3 depending on how long this video is. Students. Those are what people are called when they go to school. Students. Exit. There are always fire exits everywhere. Exit. Meaning to leave a building. Exit. Now, some languages, they have different words for a male or a female teacher. But in English-speaking countries like Canada, they don't have a different word for a male or a female teacher. You just call them Mr. or Miss and their last name. Like, for example, Miss Retzlaff or Mr. Adams. Book. Pencil. Another compound word. Notebook. Note. The E is silent. Notebook. Notebook. Scissors. The 2 S's sound like the letter Z. Z. Scissors. Scissors. Or some people say scissors, but it sounds better, scissors. Either way, they will know what you're talking about. Scissors. Paper. 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 Pen. Pen. P-N. Pen. Eraser. 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 Now the next section are subjects that you would find in school. Social studies. Social studies. That's basically learning about cultures and geography and things like that. Handwriting. It's a compound word. Handwriting. Handwriting. Which basically looks like this, where you connect the letters. So you connect the letters. So instead of writing one letter and then lifting your pencil off the paper and then write another letter, you don't lift your pencil off the paper until you finish the word or the letter. That is handwriting. Science. That's chemistry, biology, anything to do with how things work. That's science. English. 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 That's what you're learning. English. It's also called language arts. Language arts. Or English. Whichever you can pronounce better. Math. Like 1 plus 1 equals 2. Math. Reading. Reading. That's when you're reading a book. Reading. Here's some sayings that you would say every day. See you later. See you later. That's when you say goodbye to someone that you know. See you later. This is when you meet someone. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. This is what you say when you go to bed. Good night. Good night. This is from 12 o'clock noon to 5 p.m. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is when you wake up. Good morning. This is from the time you wake up to just before 12 o'clock noon. Good morning. 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 This is what you say when someone asks if someone asks, how are you doing? You say, I am fine. I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? How are you? How are you? Feel free to pause if you need to practice saying the saying or the word. What day is today? That's what you would say if you want to know what day of the week it is. What day is today? Today. Today is Monday. 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 I know it's spelled Monday, but it's pronounced Monday. Monday. I know English is really weird. I don't blame you. If you want to know if someone speaks English, you say, do you speak? And then instead of saying Spanish, you say, do you speak English? Do you speak English? And then they would either say yes, yes, or no. No is spelled N-O. no. N-O, no. This is another way of saying goodbye. Goodbye. You could either say see you later or goodbye. Or sometimes people say see you later and then goodbye. People sometimes say come here and then the person's name. Come here and then, for instance, Sakura. Come here, Sakura. If you want that person to come towards you, come here, Sakura. This is how you say hi. You can either say hi, which is H-I, or hello, H-E-L-L-O. Hello. This is what you say when someone gives you something. Thank you. Thank you. And this is what you say when you ask for something politely. Please. Like, may I please have a refill? Please. Now, the next subject will be clock time. You want to ask someone about the time, you say, what time is it? What time? What time is it? Second. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. 60 seconds. Minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Minutes. Now, this is how you say certain things. When you're o'clock. This is how you say when the small hand is on the number and the big hand is on the 12. In this instance, it would be 11 o'clock. When the little hand is on the 11 and the big hand is on the 12, that's 11 o'clock. And that's 10 o'clock, and vice versa. This is hour. There are 60 There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 minutes in 1 hour. Hour. The H is silent, so you basically say hour. Hour. Now, let's count our numbers. There are... Counting in English can get a little tricky if you don't know how to count. There are over 1,000 numbers, but you really only need to know a certain amount to work everyday life. It can be a little complicated with the different Hold on, I'm organizing the flashcards, which I probably should have done before I started the video, but it'll give you a chance to catch up if you're taking notes. Okay, so with the numbers, these are just the numbers up to 25. I'll write the number beside the word so you know what is what. Okay, this is 1. One. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, not SEX, X, SIX, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now that is a lot to go through. I'm gonna make a part 2 of the words because there's 2.5 more sections to go for the flashcards. So I'll stop you there. If you want the list of words that I went through today or tonight, wherever you are, just send me a comment and I will put the list of words there. Or I'll put the list of words that we went through when I post this video. So look in the down arrow. And if you're new to this channel, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe over, I think it's over here, and ring that bell so you'll know when I have posted a new video. So like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you in the part 2 of the English vocabulary. And after that, I will post the story. So until then, bye.